these guns 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna be playing Nova 3, and I'm trying to take out a mech. Pistol ain't helping. Yeah, shit. Terror, fuck you. Shit. Ooh, sniper took it out, definitely. Ooh. Thank you, sniper. You're so helpful. Slow motion, bitch. Blah, blah. You want slow motion? Blah, blah. Motherfucker. That's it. Oh shit, I'm almost dead. No. Oh fuck you, I'm gonna go hide. I was dead. Hold on here. This is for you. Yeah, you deserve it, J-ho. What? Who in the what? I'm gonna blast you up. Oh, he's already dead. What? No! Oh, he's dead. She's like, no bet. Talk to the hand. He was counterattacked with
Enemy spotted.
Stop it! Try right in the ass and died. Oh, found a grenade. Shit. I'm so dead. Where the hell is one of you fighting? That's causing so much damage. God damn you! God, these Voltrites are a real pain in the dick. Ate it, bitches! I think. Oh shit, I'm so dead. You guys got this, right? Yeah, I'm gonna go hide. I'm almost dead. I'll take him out with my sniper. Come here, pussy. Take him out. Okay, let's go. God damn, I ran so fast. Hard done it. Man. Voltrites are a real pain in the ass.
Axel, this is Warden.
Oh shit.
We got eyes on the base. We're 30 seconds out, coming in from the northwest. We can use some support right about now. Over.
Screw you. Fuck you. I have to say this. Fuck you, and then they die. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Come on, we're almost there.
Faggot, stay away.
Push through. Get behind those gates.
Whoa. Damn, Daniel.
Elena, we need to talk now.
Oh, damn, look at that ass.
Let's talk.
Where are you?
Turn around.
Elena?
In the flesh, as it were.
But how? When did...
A gift from Prometheus.
Damn, look at them boobs. You guys see that ass? Man.
So, Cal, what was it you wanted to talk to me about?
What is Nova doing here?
Yeah, why can't you bring that ass over here? No, don't do that. Please.
Using a terraformer device Nova
Ugh.
built based on an ancient Judger artifact.
Oh shit.
They must have broadcast some sort of signal or something because the place was swarming with Volterites immediately after we turned the device on. And since us being here sort of violates the Coalition Treaty, there was some conflict.
Wait a second. Ancient Judger artifact?
Yeah.
Damn.
Lovely little thing, really. Glows in the dark and everything.
It goes in the dark.
Well, nobody actually gave it to us. We, found it.
You found it.
Stole it. Really is more accurate, I suppose.
You stole from the Judgers? Have you gone insane?
Yes.
May I remind you that I am an AI, and as appealing as the thought of going insane may be, I am quite incapable of being in such a delightful state. If, however, you are asking me if I'm malfunctioning, then I can tell you that according to my system
Yelena.
diagnostics, my neural matrix is...
Yelena,
Yes, Cal?
you stole a Judger artifact.
Ugh.
There was no other way. We were... Cal, not all
Ah, my
humanity
foot.
is willing to stand by as politicians surrender their sovereignty to the Dominion. Many are angry.
Oh, fuck, who's
They
Dominion?
live in fear, afraid to even voice their concerns, let alone join the resistance. If we can render Earth habitable again, humanity could leave the near orbitals and then independence. It's fine that you're willing to give up on humanity's struggle, but
I did not give up.
I'm sorry, Cal. Look, we were planning on returning the artifact once the planet was terraformed. We didn't expect the Volterites to show up.
Why did the Volterites show up in the first
What
place?
do you need from me, Yelena?
Right now, we need to push back the Volterite attack. Then, while we're evacuating the base, you'll take a combat 4x4 and head to
Damn.
the facility where we're holding the terraforming device. You'll retrieve the artifact and then meet up with us and we'll leave the planet. Simple? No?
Simple.
What?
The only reason I came here is because of your message. I'll help you, Yelena. But the second we're off this rock,
Wow.
I'm done. Do you understand me? I am done. Nova can clean up its own mess.
Understood, Commander.
I don't understand a lot of that. Alright, let's go.
Cal has learned
Ooh, what we got here?
forces recovered an ancient Judger artifact.
I like his voice, it's cool.
It's a terraforming device and brought it to Earth in the hopes of making humanity's long-abandoned home planet habitable again. But the Volterites are now closing in, determined to wipe out the human forces and to seize the artifact. Space perimeter breach, East sector. I repeat, perimeter breach. We've got Buckley. We need immediate backup.
This is Ashwood from all
Can I get in this?
Provide immediate support to the East sector. Nova engineers.
Can I get in this?
Force field generators
Please?
located to the southeast.
Please.
Where do you want me?
Ew.
Jedi Tower, left-hand side.
Can I get in this?
No spotter though.
I'll manage.
Hurry up. What we got here? I'm pretty sure we'll be needing sniper.
Radius overview. Updates
Yep,
as
I
they
knew it.
come.
Copy.
In position.
Roger.
Okay, let's
Targets
see.
in kill zone. Sweeping.
Be advised, the Nova engineers.
I got him.
Screw you. Yeah, get sniped in your ass. Stop hurting my men. Damn it, I missed. Oh, those are precious. God damn it, die. Yeah, there's just a pile of them right there. Go join it. Oh, shit.
Engineer.
I don't got any more sniper. Oh, right here. Okay. Whew. Okay, you are really pissing me off. Hit. Shot right in the leg. Bitch. God damn it, I'm out again. I need another one. I don't have any more ammo. Shit. I apologize, I got no more ammo. Yes. Get wrecked. God damn, stop.
Deploy at following coordinates. East area sealed.
Okay.
Heavy weapon support at the second breach.
Roger.
Shotgun is an OP gun. Alright, let's go. How you get in that? Oh, shit. Ow.
To all Nova personnel, prepare for evacuation. Drop
Is that a minigun?
9 minutes. All non-essential equipment
Dang it, kill it. Shit, I need another one. Yes. You know what? Let's see.
We got enemy mechs here.
What? Where?
Clear for retreat.
Okay.
I got this.
Actual, what's your status?
Outnumbered.
Yes, I can tell it.
Hang on, I'm coming.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, damn, this is cool. Screw all. Where's the enemy mech? That makes no sound. Screw! You get wrecked! Duh! Screw you! Let me kill these things. They're not fun. Ah! Well, sir. Pardon me. We stepped on it. What? Hurry back in it. Hurry back in it.
You looking for a ride, Peaches?
That's Commander Peaches to you, boy.
Hop in.
Once you get the artifact, I'll send a dropship.
Okay.
Fine.
Oh, shit, okay. Oh, fuck. The hole in my foot hurts. I got that. Somebody stabbed me with a pencil. It's not even late and I'm tired. Literally 8 o'clock. Almost 9.
Elena, we need these doors open. Florence, Sergeant, we're running out of time. Sir,
I think broke it.
shoot those barrels.
Shooting the barrels.
Fire's the weak point.
Damn, that's cool. Okay, let's keep going.
Heads up.
Run him over.
Clear a path.
Yeah, boy.
Blast those barricades.
Already did.
Hold on. Gonna get bumpy. Jaywalking shall be severely punished.
Check. Not.
Can't see squat. Feel that, Commander? RPGs! They're trying to blow us up! Yeah.
Ah, shit, we got blown up. I even shot a missile at them at every team. Guys, I'm gonna make a part 2 of this, so that's why I'm exiting right now. Fuck you.